Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where your game is not using the GPU on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Search for graphics settings in the Windows search bar and go to graphics settings. Now, make sure that optimizations for windowed games is on. This switch should be on. Then scroll down and you'll find a lot of apps here. Let us assume this movies and TV app is the game in question. Okay, I can select any app for that matter, any app or any game. Now, the GPU preferences that let Windows decide and it will decide as per the power saving mode, but you can change it to the graphics card that you want to use. Like I have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, so I'll select that one. Okay, and make sure that it's on optimization for windowed games. Close this. This is how you can force the game to use the GPU. But one more thing, the driver should be updated as well. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay, and expand the list of display adapters. Right click and update the drivers. Right click and update the drivers for all the GPU drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.